Koto ma urianete na Apollo kinte raban lo etem Daniel Abal kansala lo ingwela siki kolo munto Eitela Kamod Philip Ojachor orai bobo Apollo ne icholongo komita la pia ingesobu osoma kitungalu ajaso Ekansulo au mishoiti na Ijularai ke walo.
Mr. Speaker, sir, upon deliberations made, the committee considered the following recommendations in order to enhance service delivery. Number one is Parish Chief of Kamod should be transferred. And I want to tell you that during the time of data collection for PDM, to somebody do it. What was the subcount? What was the partial growth? There's land equation. But I was surprised to see that it was held illegally. Is it this putting the sub-county into problems? When I go through this, I would say all these recommendations from finance used to be adopted in this house.
I also concur with this point of transferring Parish Chief Kamod. Nara mamu kututungalu mamu upaskiritunga amekukuraka.
Daniel Abal raban nges obu itachau achie kotoma kiron wapotu kesi kwa pe Ekansulo itojo kasi etema swam.
Jaka Etela walu David bami swama ina joka akepolo otupite tapak na jara minister da. Aje kumita yaunde kumita monyo noi na mepol na meja minister. Mami swama ijoko mama butuke data apaki na kora rikapuno PDM da. Abue community I requesting iso kwa pingarenoko. Aya una kirono bingara siso Ijularai. Indeed lolo iswamaso kwa pe kwa serol kwa pe ingarenok luiju kunde kuminja gwetin kwesi ijeli loso Ijularai iparisifu ngono Kamod
konyelo itoro nata David Walu akaulo na Ekansulo adaun ingitar kokingan na Ekansulo alaro na etem ngesi obwe leling ne dabu oinak sho amaone ke namba lo simu asote aino makin ne obu otemara osimu ebe dare kiber ogwetare simu.
Yes, David. Yoga.
Yeah.
Aroko ga to pakinte akiro rangi na jena ne jajon patiko dongolo petopilo.
Malakabe.
Samosi na Apollo na icholongo LC3 nges abala ebe koto ma Apollo ko Eitela ikanya pelwe jasi otembu gondo atama ngesi aichoro ewalu konye mam echamnoto atupaki na ichoreta odibora rono ka kere ewalu ngesi mameto torkede esimu da nera kwani kwa ikiro ngesa kadi kena esimu osimu ni chetunga
ya hilo tupashibulu igwekini line ke ngosimba chitwen ijo a technical person official you either parish care you don't have a phone. That's one. Then two, etuke solo iparish care to kule solo mamu waja kalo etuke solo netu bakini asal waya atende samina isala jakala de parish tamasa ikulinga mami lemne simu tamasa ikulinga mami smelosi sometimes I to have to buy or buy a chilo. They do me to the service to an amount.
Eja ngonda Sara Inyaru Apollo netem nges abala ebe kwa adaona Ekansulo Etutubu ebunido kwa nengesi ewadika ikina Apollo kinton ajakanuto loserebalua anu ajenunu epote atupakin.
The council gives us resolutions. That is what we are supposed to implement. And also they give recommendations. Which recommendations we are supposed to forward to the district. Now, since council has said they do not want the parish chief of Kamod based on the reasons that they have highlighted, me as a sub-county chief, I am going to write to COW, quoting the minute number for today's council and giving the reasons that the council has outlined, and I will wait for a response.
Kaduka TV East, Patrick Odongo, Kosere District.